So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nagbabalik. Ayun. So, as usual, good morning. O, time check. Anong oras na ngayon? 3:55 ng umaga. At pabalik na ulit kami ng airport. Papunta ng Vancouver. So, another day, another flight. So, inaantay ko lang yung aking brother. Sabi ko pupunta ng airport. So, ngayon ay family ko naman ang kasama namin para gumala. And as usual, yung dalawang bata sa likod na naman.
Hi!
Kuya. So, yun. 3 days, 2 nights. Tamang ano lang, tamang short trip. At, yun. Samahan nyo kaming mamasyal sa Vancouver, babalik. Then diretso kami ng shuttle.
We're gonna get another toy in Pasal.
What?
We're gonna get another toy to Pasal.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay. So yun. Let's get it on. Come on, our turn.
On this side, please. On this side. Oh. I need the passport. Who is traveling?
All of us.
Yeah, okay. Everybody's traveling, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so just let's get everybody here. So we can clear. If you don't mind, yeah, just come on the side here so we clear the aisle. So how many passengers?
9.
Perfect.
Sort of 4.
I'll just get you to stand on the side, guys.
Jana.
So the final destination is Vancouver?
Yeah.
Okay, how many bags are we checking?
Just 3.
Okay. So there is one under Merita Nelta?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my mom.
Okay,
You
so
want her boarding pass?
how would you, so you said 3 bags, how would you like to pay for the
I'll
bag?
pay for gift card.
Is it,
Canada gift card.
okay, give me 1 second, I'll see if that's gonna work. 1 second.
How much total?
So the total would be for the 3 bags, 110.25.
Yeah.
How much is in there?
150.
Okay, give me 1 second, let's see how this
That's nice.
What's that, buddy?
I tried doing online yesterday, wouldn't allow
We
me.
can work for you online.
Hindi pa ba nagamit yun?
Then stand here. Stand here.
Baka wala naman.
I'll take that from you.
Baka nagamit na. Baka nagkamali. Lagay namin sa online, ilang beses.
Why was this like jumping down and up? Go again.
Is there an expiry date on this one?
No, I don't think so. I checked it online yesterday, it says,
That's the
still says
year.
150.
I only can
Magkano?
see.
150.
Pagbalik ay over 31.
That's perfect, thank you.
Okay, but
Yeah, we're all together.
oh, it's a fine dog. Come on, mommy. Isa lang yung 6 years old. 7 yung kasama.
Lahat ay iisip lahat ay iisip bata.
Diyan na guys, ito yung woro-woro.
Ha?
Diyan na. Diyan.
Diyan na daw.
Fixed 5 years ago. Akin na yung mga passport para hindi tayo harapan.
Now watch your face.
Diyan na. Where's yung woro-woro?
It would be better for our agent that everybody holds their own passport and boarding pass. Otherwise, it's going to take longer.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
The
For the
kids-
kids, can I hold it?
Yes,
Or-
for the kids only the boarding passes. We don't need an ID for them.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold it. Oh, come on.
Just keep going this way.
Ba't pala kasama lagi si Jan? Hanggang next year.
Oh, akin na yung coffee ko.
Silip. Silip.
Two, three, and zone 39. Okay, so I got in here. Ready for the kids. Makamatapon yung kape mo. You can just open up the ID. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee na daw. Hello, Bashir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Bashir.
24 ah.
Lilipat ko nga kagabi.
Di ba po kagabi? Sino magkakatabi?
Yung tatlo, tapos tayo tatlo ng doon.
Ah. Wait! Wait! Another flight.
Morning, welcome.
Morning. 24.
23 DEF.
Morning, welcome. Morning.
Wala pang pasero. Pwede naman siguro magpalit-palit pagka may bakante.
Oo. Here.
Where's Daddy sitting here?
Hindi, 24 kami magkakatabi.
O, dyan ako. Me. Then kuya.
No.
Yes, okay. Pero kung may isa pang window, ha? Para sa'yo si God.
Ah,
Ay,
passport.
hindi. Walang maghihiwalay. Sa kanila, magkaka-partner sila.
Ha?
Magkaka-partner sila.
Sino ba?
Oh. For sure.
Come on. Put your bag. Put your bag. Wala ka.
No, I can do it. Come on.
Okay, go. Okay, go. Walk. Walk.
Hi, princess.
Thank you. It's too cold. So, pick upin lang namin yung aming check-in luggage. Where's R? Hindi, yung isang malaki rin eh.
Dito.
Hindi yan.
Tama ako. Wait, yung isa.
Ito, kanina ito.
Kay mami.
Yung amin pa lang wala.
Ganyan din.
Ganyan din.
Ito din?
Samsonite. Samsonite yun, di ba? Oh, patungi.
No. No. Can I go in? Is there monkey? No. No.
Yeah.
Can I go in? It's seriously.
Awan pa ka naman.
May blossom pa oh. Look, dyan ah, what is this?
It's my lucky day. I found the gibbet. I found the gibbet. Never look. No, never mind. I'm not.
Okay, walk, walk. Uli. So, nag-arrive na kami dito sa Vancouver. Kukunin lang namin yung aming rental. Saan ba yung rental? Saan kukunin? Wala ko mas dyan ah. That's dirty bunso. Nasaan yung license ko?
Right here.
pa kailangan eh.
So, dito kami nag-rent sa Hertz. Anong ginamit? Credit card? Pamak?
Naka-ano na sa... Meron kami ano. Yung naka-register saan?
Wala, may naka-register ba dyan?
Wala, pangalan mo lang. Bibigyan sa kanya.
Pero ano niya, yung sa credit card, di ba nag-igay sa...
Expedia ginagawa nila sumuka.
Anong SPD?
Expedia.
Ah. Magkano siya? Magkano siya? 350?
Hindi ah. Ano lang to, deposit. 180. 185. Tingnan yung sa gagamit ni Shane. Ito yung talaga mga bago. 2025. Bago dito naman.
300 make it na miles no?
Paperwork, stall number 23. Straight out.
Uy,
Oh, GMC.
GMC. Acadia.
Which car?
Right? In stall number 23.
Oh, number 23.
Only two
License?
this place. And you need the child seat, right?
Yeah.
How old is that? Regular child seat? What's this?
It's 5 years old.
Regular child seat.
So,
The upright.
her,
Yeah. Her.
she'll need a boot.
Okay.
Hindi pala dyan. Baka ito yung pababalik lang.
Bakit luma?
Siguro.
Ay, bago eh. Oh.
Can I get an email address?
Ah, hindi. Yung Christ na din. Ano yun?
Ryan Reyes.
Yung in-order nyo din dati.
RYAN Reyes 0502 88 @gmail.com. Sila 7-seater or 8-seater?
7-seater. Party or something? What's happening?
No, just a family vacation.
Nice. Okay, one signature with your finger there and press submit. Where you guys gonna go?
Just here in Vancouver. But right now we're gonna go straight to Sea to the Sky gondola.
Oh, Whistler.
Those cars are full of gas, right?
Yeah, it's full.
No?
Oh, what?
You got 7 people to push. 6 people to push.
The Joker.
You're a joker
I
also,
got your
eh?
parade this time.
Oh. So anyone wants to rent a car, just go here to Hertz.
It's full, bring it back.
Yeah.
There's a gas station just before the airport.
Where is cheaper here in BC?
What is cheaper?
Where?
yeah.
When? I mean, where is it cheaper?
BC it says ring cash. So there's no cheap.
Oh no, cheap. Yeah, that's true.
Stall number 8, right there.
Stall number 8. Okay, thank you.
You are. Salamat.
Salamat. Stall number 8. Nasaan yung stall number 8? Alin malakas sa gas? Yan yata. Ah, ito. Yung sa amin, Chrysler. Sino gusto sa maluwag? Wait, I'll set it up the
We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. days, down memory lane, back to the times when our life was a breeze. Feel the freedom again, my mind was at ease. The sky was so blue when we rolled down the street. So hey, I just wanna touch your vibe, I just wanna touch your vibe. Hey, I just want a good time, good time. We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal, move to songs we played together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal, move to songs we played together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day.
So yun, nandito kami ngayon sa Sea to Sky.
Wala ka na, mami. Kami ng ano. Ayaw. Kilab, come here.
Ilan ba?
6 to 8.
Ah, parang may taga-picture.
Yeah, may taga-picture kayo, may taga-picture ako.
Ah, hati sa dalawa?
Ito na rin ang magkakasama sa room eh.
6 to 8 na rin ako.
This is nothing.
$1 entrance.
Ay, ang laki ng tiyan mo.
Diba? Anin pala.
Hindi na maputla yung labi mo masyado. Hindi na masyado. Tapos sobrang
Kulang sa tubig.
Hindi yung dugo niya. Ano siya? Anemic ka natin? Hindi, may isa pang term. Nakalimutan ko. Yung red blood cells niya, maliliit ang size. Hindi, oo. Kaya madali siyang magkapasa. So parang kaya konti ang
Parang clot.
Hindi. Ano nga matawag nun? Hemato. Iniyak ko yun. Are you sure?
It's our turn! Doon, kasi doon!
Diyan ako. Paano ka?
So yun, pakit na kami. Bunso! Saan tayo punta, Bunso?
Tapos pag ano.
Over here.
Over there!
Video.
Uy, ganda.
Hello.
Ito lang pasero yung pababa.
Kakakit lang, ikakabot.
Mas matarik to kaysa dun sa ano, sa bump ano.
Mayroon pa nga yung kasunod. Longest go, ano nga daw to eh.
Longest
Gondola.
Ano?
Canada.
Dito ka kayo.
Nakabot. Hindi na nga.
The
Hindi masyado.
the blackbirds fight back, and the grizzly bears run, and the polar bear is your dad.
Baka yan na yan.
Yan ang titigilan natin, di ba?
Wala ba itong ano?
Imagine
Yung
just-
ano, yung restaurant sa
So,
van.
napakataas na namin, oh. Hindi nakita yung baba pala, yung harang na ng bato.
No, they're not dangerous.
Hmm.
They're cute. Yeah, and they're so fluffy.
We're here!
So, ba sila maniwala sa inyo you're here? Kaka-we're here mo.
Stand up na.
Stand up. Mabilisan ang babae.
Hold to mami. Uy, bunny! There's a bunny!
Where?
There! Bunny!
Bunny, I want a picture of that bunny.
Okay.
Ayan pala, di siya pilit dyan.
Okay, go, dali.
Philip, dali!
Baka may iwan. Anong ginagawa nila doon? Easter Sunday ngayon eh.
Oo.
Come here. Meron sila pang sa bata ah.
Bayad, oh, okay.
May bayad ba? Wala.
Bayad yung breakfast.
Ano yan? Ah, suspension bridge.
Wala naman tapos mamaya at tara, uputol.
Ang ganda ng view.
Kayla! Mahal! Dito na pipilin!
Basa.
Ang sadya naman! Ayan, come on, kids!
Ay.
Can I reach you, Daddy? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Why?
Because I'm holding you.
Why? We're about to rain. Stop! Stop!
I hold your chocolate. Give me. Okay, hold the bar. I put it in my pocket.
Picture mo nga kumaan, oh. Dali. Oh.
Picture o video?
Picture.
Dali, malulubat na nga ano.
Wait.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dali, nauga eh.
Joy! Victor!
Picture mo na!
Kayo man dala.
Okay.
Sige po, sila man dala. 1, 2, 3. Okay naman dalawa, mahal. Dala kayo. 1, 2, smile. One more. 1, 2, okay.
Okay, go. Lakad. Go, mami. Go. Dali. Lakad! Walk, dali. May aakitan pa pala. Lalim nito. So, pababa na kami. Ito na, tarik oh. Napakatarik ng pababa oh. Nauga. Nagsiswing.
Caleb, stop!
Ang tarik bigla oh. Biglang tarik eh.
What happens if you just fall down? It'll be a rolling ball. And it'll crash.
You know falls? So, ito yung aming first day dito sa
Ayun na may
Vancouver.
falls, ayun no?
Punta natin yung falls.
Thanks.
Saan ba yung falls? Doon yung falls eh. Sa kabilang
We're
side.
supposed to go rock climbing then.
No.
Ikaw na lang, Caleb. Baka mamaya malaglag pa tayo dun.
What can you say in our first day in Vancouver?
Scary.
Why?
Actually, it's not scary. It's just beautiful.
Yeah. Because you got a lot of
Eggs.
eggs.
I
Chocolate
mean,
eggs.
and I got more than that. I got 13.
I got
Okay.
14.
But guys, you can look.
So maganda yung falls.
Guys,
Ano,
guys,
ang lakas ng
guys,
tubig.
guys, do you want to look at my pocket?
Parang si
Guys,
Francis, no?
oh, show it.
Guys!
Wow.
Oh.
Okay, we're going
Jana's
down.
oh my!
Yay! Thank you.
Mommy, did you know Jana's boyfriend is Francis?
No!
Pag si Francis tinanong, what was your friend?
When they grow, they're gonna be like,
Oh,
they're gonna be like when they grow up.
Go. That's it. Let's wait them. Picture mo sila. Picture sila sa loob.
Daddy! 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 Can I go to the playground?
Wait them. tayo bunso ngayon?
Here,
In?
Redmonton.
So, magla-lunch muna kami. Dito sa ano. Kung saan kami padparin. Downtown yata to. Ferry dock oh. May ferry dock.
Huh? Where?
Ferry dock. There oh. Boat rental.
Oh, yeah. What's Lobster Man?
Lobster man. So, dito kami gagayin.
Yeah, but I have guns in my mouth.
Inside, outside. Inside, outside.
Outside.
Okay, let me see what we
Saan daw tayo? Sa loob?
Whoever's next in line, are we all together?
Yeah.
Go right ahead.
Spirit in the way, in the go. Later.
Magkano ba tayo?
Can I watch and eat? Yeah, can I watch and eat?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna get a push together. Would I be able to grab a name and phone number to put down on the table here?
We're outside, right?
Yeah. Different Matt?
Yeah.
Joanne, and the phone number? Do you got that?
Ano, mag-aantay tayo?
Can we go 329?
Mag-aantay daw ba?
Thanks, Val.
Puro mga naka-cellphone. No? Ano, mga naka-cellphone. Cellphone. Mga naka-cellphone. Red card. Ano yan?
Naka sa...
Sa ilalim ng tulay. Dakeg oh. Ba, may sidecar oh. Heh. Tarax ka, jewelry. Ha? Ano? Oh, meron. Diyan tayo nakapark ah. Mga ano eh. COVID happens here. Janang?
Bumabangka na naman.
Babangka ka na naman. Nasa ilalim tayong tuloy oh. Tama, we are under the bridge. Market.
Toy company, one toy.
Toy company. Yan.
Next year I can ask them.
I'll ask them for the...
What's that?
Yung to go, kasi since hindi na atrium yung may handle ng breakfast, third party na, ay kailangan nila ng 1 day in advance. So hindi aabot yung bukas. Yung susunod na. Yun may tanong.
Pero may kasamang breakfast.
Meron pa rin.
Ay, yung sa maaga lang, pag maaga.
Oo, breakfast to go. Hindi natin
What time is your breakfast?
7 to 10.
Ginaba mo ng mga maleta?
Yun lang, isa lang malita natin. Pero pa si Jana.
Hindi ko na mag-akyat. Yeah.
If you decided to have this one, just let us know tomorrow in the morning. So if you inform in the morning that you still continue. So
can see your booking, 2 reservations for 2 rooms and having a 2 queen bed, 1 pull-out couch each room, right? And it's a prepaid reservation for 2 nights. So now I will be needing your credit card, just 250 deposit each room. That's refundable.
Any credit card?
Yeah, and
Just the deposit.
twice, so 1 by 1, you can insert yourself.
Pino.
Wala nga ito swimming pool ah.
Do you have sauna?
Yeah, we do have rice sauna. It's on the 4th floor. Inside the facility.
How about swimming pool?
We do not have a swimming pool.
May sauna. 4th floor. Just in case na kasi mag-sauna.
I want to go sauna.
4th floor. Yeah.
You could have you
Mommy,
have to car, right?
can I go sauna?
It's not the place.
I want to go sauna.
License plate.
Naku, hindi ko tanda license plate.
Do you remember your license plate? Yes.
Ha? Bago pa. So, dito na kami sa hotel. Ha?
Ang puntang ay 500 eh.
500.
Kilometers.
Kulang natin isang bar eh.
Ano?
Ang ganahan namin.
Bago to.
Kaya nirent namin isang sasakyan na yun. Ito
Delay
isa.
naman yung GPS. Ha?
Alin? Sa Apple?
Oo.
Delay nga.
So, park.
Ha? Ilan ko ba yun? Tamang pick up kakaunti na yun. Kung naitaas-taas pa. Ano? Ano nga? 2, 3, 2. 2, 3. Diyan. 2, 3. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 3. Kami 2, 3, 3.
Isang 2, 3, 2.
Yan sa kabila. Bang. Ay, ganyan. So we're here. Check in.
This is random beds. The couch.
Ang bigat pala ng tape. Grabe. Halatang ayaw mo ipanak. Try mo buhatin yun. Ako, ano ko lang. Ang
Alin?
bigat ng tape. Wala lamesa. Parang rock table sa akin.
So dito na kami. Naka-check-in na kami dito sa hotel. Sa Atrium Hotel. So yun, ano yung Vancouver City. Ang tayo makakain mamaya siguro. Subway, sushi, Japanese restaurant. Alright. So yun, dito ko na muna tatapusin tong ating video. At maaga kaming alis bukas. Tatawid kami ng US papunta ng shuttle. At doon naman magwawaldas. So yun, ingat-ingat po lahat.